one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. You did this one thing, you saw me feeling. It's this one thing you did. It's this one thing that caught me slipping. It's this one thing I want to admit. You did this one thing and I was so weird. It's this one thing you did.
You said you're worried that you're annoying me. You saying you love me. I'm like totally sad that I'm me and blunt also brutally. But every second of my life was cool to me. Now I'm overthinking, contemplating, wondering every little thing. Could we make it? All the tension between us, could I break it? Well, on the tension line, I made a mistake. I was overthinking and I over-contemplate. I forget about the love when there's too much hate. I want this to work, I pray for better days. And here I say, I love you too much, babe. I'm here forever to stay. Yeah, okay.
I can't help it. It's just something. It's just, I don't know.